Watch the movie until the end before proceeding with the installation. You will see how to perform the installation and how to rectify typical mistakes. The package also includes a set of wipes and a dust fix, a dust removal pad. First, clean the screen with the wet wipe, then with the dry cloth. This is a very important stage as the screen must be clean before installation. Align the screen protector with the loudspeaker and camera openings. Remove the backing tape from the fit-in stickers and stick them on the phone. Remove the glass backing film using the dust fix pad. Clean the screen again. Place the glass film on the screen using a left-to-right action. If there are any air bubbles, use the dry cloth and the anti-bubble card to remove them. Remove the front protective layer using sticker number 3. Clean the screen again. You can remove and reposition the glass several times using the fit-in stickers. Any residual dust under the glass can be removed using the dust fix pad. Raise the glass and use the sticky side of the dust fix pad to remove the dust. You can repeat this several times.